Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another straightforward tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to transfer Matic from Bitmart to Gemini in 2025. If you're looking to move your Matic tokens, also known as Polygon, for better security, lower fees, or just to diversify your holdings, this guide is perfect for you. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear, step-by-step process to get it done safely and efficiently. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Bitmart and Gemini. If you haven't already, download the apps or log into the websites and complete any necessary verifications. This is crucial for a smooth transfer. Step 1. Log into your Bitmart account and navigate to your wallet. Locate your Matic balance to confirm how much you're working with. Remember, in 2025, crypto interfaces might have slight updates, so keep an eye out for any new features. Step 2. Head over to the Withdraw or Transfer section. Select Matic from the list of assets. This is where you'll enter the destination, your Gemini wallet address. Double-check this address to avoid any costly mistakes. Copying it wrong could send your tokens into the void. Step 3. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Be mindful of any network fees, which might vary based on blockchain congestion. For Matic, it's usually on the Polygon network, so choose that option if prompted. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm, and follow the on-screen instructions, like two-factor authentication for added security. After initiating the transfer, keep an eye on your transaction status. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network traffic. Once it's done, log into your Gemini account and check your Matic balance to confirm the deposit. A quick tip. Always use the official apps or websites to prevent phishing scams. And if you're new to this, start with a small amount to test the waters. There you have it. Your Matic is now safely on Gemini. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy transferring.